Welcome to Plant a Garden TV. How you guys doing today? I hope you beautiful people doing great. Well, I plant this kale and I'm thinking right now that I can get some kale from these few plants right here to make some juice. So I'm gonna blend it. I'm gonna blend this kale with some apple. Blend it up together and drink it. Or you could make it in a juicer, but it's tasty. No juice, no sugar added, just juice and kale. So I really think I don't want to leave them to get too hard. So I think I got to pick some of these. So I'm going to pick the bottom ones. Yeah, I'm going to pick the bottom ones. Nice leaf. I mean, guys, you got to pick them because you don't want them to get too hard. You want them soft and nice. You don't want them to get too hard, and then you really can't. Okay. So look, I get a nice bungle from this one. And always remember, the more you pick, the more they grow. Nice fresh little bungle for me to make my juice with. Nice decent bungle. That's the reason why I love to plant early, because I'm in the spring and I'm already harvesting. Okay, all the bottom leaf, I need them young and fresh. I don't want to get too hard. Okay guys, nice bungle like this. So this, I'm gonna make some juice, some apple juice with this. No, fresh apple. Blend it up with these scales and you have a nice cup of apple juice. Not apple juice, kale and apple juice. Yes guys, so this is the beautiful part of gardening when you start harvesting. A lot of hard work, but I guarantee you, you will enjoy when harvest time comes. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.